Hi there! Welcome back to Slime Time with Drew, the holiday edition. So today we're going to be making fake snow. There are a lot of different recipes out there, but we're going to be making a really simple 2-ingredient slime using things you can find in your own kitchen. So our 2 ingredients today are going to be shaving cream and cornstarch. And that's literally it. Now it's time to get mixing. So we're going to start with our cornstarch. You can buy a pretty simple large can of this at Walmart, and we'll just start dumping it right in. It's a little bit messy, so be kind of careful about that. So once you've got your cornstarch all into your container, you want to take your container, just shake it just a bit, just to make sure that the cornstarch is nice and even across the bottom. You don't want too much piled up all in one corner or anything like that. And once you've done that, you're ready to start with your shaving cream. Make sure it's nice and well shook up, and then you can just start pouring it right on in there. The only thing about this recipe is you need equal parts of each ingredient. And the best thing about using 2 cans is you can use 2 hands. Now at this point, you could, if you wanted to, add in all kinds of extra stuff like glitter or food coloring or anything like that. But since we're going for that semi-realistic snow look, I didn't want to add anything in because I wanted to keep that real nice white color. Now's the fun part, because you get to just shove your hands down in there. Here we go. My mixture is not quite that 1-to-1 ratio that we want, so my good friend Pete has agreed to come in and add in some more cornstarch for me, because you really want to get that really nice snow-like consistency. And you'll be able to see that here in just a moment whenever I'm done mixing. But the best way to do that really when you're working at home is to just do it 1 cup at a time. So take your 1 cup measuring spoon, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of shaving cream. And it is going to get pretty messy, so just be prepared for that. All right, so now that we are thoroughly mixed, we're going to be able to take some of our snow and play with it. So you can see this really looks close to being one of those powder snows. But the great thing about playing with this snow, other than how it feels in your hands, is that it sticks together really well with only a little bit of pressure, and it makes a great snowball. And it breaks right back apart. So you can use this to make snowballs, you can make snowmen, you can make anything with this that you'd be able to make with real snow. So I hope you guys can find some really cool stuff to do with this. This has been Slime Time with Drew. Thank you so much for tuning in to make some fake snow. I hope you enjoy it at home. Be sure to like and subscribe and keep an eye out for all the brand new awesome content we're going to be coming out with in 2019. Have a happy holidays.